Hello friends, and welcome to another Viejo Loco production video. Today we're gonna work with a smart door lock made by Lockly. You can use in the home, department, rental, office. This is the most advanced technology what there is out there on the market today. Packed with the latest technology using a Bluetooth connectivity for worry-free functionality with no need for Wi-Fi. There is 4 ways to enter. Number 1 is with a regular key, like any other padlock. Number 2 is an advanced fingerprint. The number 3 is a digital touch screen which is scrambled. So even if there is somebody behind you, the numbers is not going to be on the same sequence order. So nobody can figure out which one is going to be your PIN number. And the number 4 is going to be with a smart hub, your cell phone, or if you have Alexa, anything you can make it work with. It's designed to fit door hole in between 1.38 and 2 inch thick. The rotate handle, it can be worked for left or right swing door. The dimensions are 7 inch wide, that means up and down, and 647x, that means left and right. These secure smart locks are built with the highest quality material, ensuring a work environment. Is made to be working on in between -4 and 140 Fahrenheit, just in case you are worried that it's going to be with your temperature on the place where you're living with. So we're gonna go through the unboxing and check what is inside. We're gonna do the setup and the installation. Let's go see what is inside. Just for the way, I can tell you this is not made by cheap, by no way. This is way too heavy. The presentation is awesome. This Lockly security, all the instruction for. Okay, on this box, let's see what is inside. This is the actual key, just in case you need for a backup if something is not working properly. Oh my god, it came with actually batteries. Awesome. You don't have to buy anything. Hardware stuff to put it all together. Okay, this tool that you see right here is to change the lock if you have a swing or right door. With this tool here you can clip it, and I'm going to show you later in the process. You have 2 of these things for the lock itself. That is depend how long it's gonna be on your door. What else? This, the plate. And this is the lock itself. Oh my god, this is way too heavy. It's beautiful. Look at this. The material is awesome. So here is for the fingerprint. This is the padlock that I was mentioned before. This is amazing finishing. Really heavy. And this part here is what is gonna show on the inside. This is for the inside of your house. I'm amazed with the finishing of this material. It's by no means cheap, no way. So that is everything what is on the box. We're gonna go ahead and set up the application and see how this works, and we're gonna install it.